Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia and you are watching Alicia May Homemade. In this video, you will see me transform this vase into this beautiful vase. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome to Alicia May Homemade. Okay, first I have this 10-year-old vase that has been screaming for an update. Then I have these beaded necklaces that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I have 5 of them that I've used for this project. Here you see me placing the beads on the vase. I came up with a design that I like, so I am going to start gluing my beads down. I would also recommend either using a stronger adhesive than the hot glue, or also making sure that you are putting an ample amount of hot glue on the beads, because you don't want your beads to be loose on the vase. Bead design that I did on the vase, and I really do love it. It's gonna look so beautiful once I spray paint it and it all comes together. So I took the vase outside to spray paint because obviously I don't want all the fumes in my house, and it's just safer that way. So here I'm showing you the 3 spray paints that I did use. I used a copper, a gold, and a silver. I would also like to recommend making sure that you take all of the glue strings off of your vase before spray painting. That is what you see me doing right now. It was so tedious. Here I am adding my monstera leaves that I absolutely love, adding some greenery to the vase and my room, and it just looks so beautiful. I love the color, the champagne color. It matches my room. And I love the fact that I was able to transform my 10-year-old vase that I did not want to get rid of into something that I will enjoy for 10 more years.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
keep it straight, not to follow me. You fired. Jay, come on. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.